Hello, my dear lovely students. Welcome to the class. My name is Mansi and I am your English grammar educator. Today, I will explain you the 28th chapter of class 8th. This chapter name is letter and email writing. How can we write a letter or an email? A letter is a written communication that contain information between two parties. Letter written communication होता है जो एक information contain करता है दो parties के बीच में. Letter helps to keep line of communication open between the parties. They can strengthen personal or professional bond and give people a way to express themselves. Letters support the preservation and promotion of literacy. The lit makes a mention of letter being sent since ancient times. Both Herodotus and it's mention letters in their writing. Now, three categories can be used to categorize letter. Formal or business letter are written to organization, business, school or college, presidents, officials and other person we do not personally know. Such letters use formal, plain and understandable language. They are direct and concise. एक formal और business letter होते हैं जो organizations के लिए, business के लिए, school और college president लिखते हैं, officials. तो ये क्या होते हैं? ये formal और business letter होते हैं. Informal personal letter are sent to acquaintance, families, member and friend. ये भेजे जाते हैं informal अपने family members को, friends को. Social letters and invitation notes may be formal और informal. Social letters और invitation notes formal भी हो सकते हैं, informal भी हो सकते हैं, depending on the situation. They consist of letter of invitation, congrats letters and condolence and gratitude letter. Write a letter to the universal public for non delivery of books. आपको एक लेटर लिखना है मैनेजर को, यूनिवर्सल पब्लिकेशन को, कि उन्होंने बुक को डिलीवर नहीं किया है. ए टू नॉर्थ एवेन्यू द पेस्किम विहार डेट है यहाँ पर. फिर इसके बाद द सेल्स मैनेजर, यूनिवर्सल पब्लिकेशन रोहिणी दिल्ली. सब्जेक्ट है नॉन रिसिप्ट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड बुक्स. सर, दिस इज टू योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आई हैड ऑर्डर्ड सम बुक्स फ्रॉम योर publication as month back. You had promised to deliver the order by the first week of January. I am still waiting for my books to arrive. You have not responded to my phone call. Please expedite the delivery or I will have to take some serious action. I am sending you the copy of the receipt. Please look into the matter and arrange immediate delivery of the ordered book. You are truly Jay Shetty. Next है, you are proficient at debating. Write a letter to principal seeking permission to represent your school in an inter-school debate competition. March यहाँ पर date है. The principal XYZ school रानी बाग. Subject है permission to participate in the debate competition. Sir, dear sir or ma'am, I am student of class 8B of your school. I am keen debaters and have won many intra-school and inter-school debate competitions. This is to request you to allow me represent our school in ABC school on May 10th. The topic is also close to my heart is adult education necessary. I promise to do a lot of research on the topic to prepare myself well and make the school proud of me. Your respectfully Ragini Mehta 8th B. Write a letter the manager to restaurant completing about the meal. आपको मैनेजर को लेटर लिखना है रेस्टोरेंट को मील के बारे में कंप्लीट करने में. पालिका बाजार दिल्ली. डेट द मैनेजर फर्जन रेस्टोरेंट पीतमपुरा दिल्ली. Subject complaint about a meal. Sir, ma'am, I am writing a complaint about a meal we had in your restaurant. Yesterday we had booked a table for 4, but when we arrived there were no free tables and we had to wait for more than 1 hour to sit down. From a menu of 20 dishes, only 7 were available and their quality was not up to the mark. The paneer is particular tasted awful and the waiter was rude when we told him about it. We have eaten in your restaurant several times in the past, but this is the first time we have received such a awful treatment. I am not asking for a refund, but I would like you to improve the quality of your dishes and services. Yours sincerely, Lakesh. ऐसे ही कुछ लेटर्स हैं. आप हम देखते हैं. एक और लेटर है, आपको पढ़ना है ईमेल राइटिंग. वी विल नाउ लर्न अबाउट राइट ईमेल्स. कम्युनिकेशन हैज अंडरगोन अ रिवॉल्यूशन थैंक्स टू ईमेल. एन ईमेल हैज सम एडवांटेज और ओवर conventional form of communication. They are simply to utilize. Electronic messages can be sent, received or saved. Our computer, they move quickly. They are instantly distributed all across the world. Email are the fastest type of textual communication expression available. You can include the original email in your reply so that the receiver will understand what you are talking about when you respond. For someone who receive 100 of email per day, this is crucial. Automated email with a certain text can be sent. You can inform the sender that you are on vacation. In this way, auto responders are the name given to these email don't require any paper, any protect or ecosystem and prevent the cutting down of many trees. They may also contain emails. You can send emails with birthday, order or news letters. Email can be used to advertise product to quickly increase the business by telling to a large number of individuals. Consider the following tips to create an excellent email. ये कुछ topics हैं. In an email, the postal address or date is not specified. Just an email ID is provided. यहाँ email में कोई भी postal address नहीं दिया जाता है, date नहीं दी जाती है क्योंकि email ID provided होती है. The subject line contain the message core idea making is crucial. The subject line need to be sufficient. It must contain a clear hint as to the message content and should be not be full phrases. A warm welcome is politeness at first. It is always necessary to address someone as beloved Mr. X and my dear Y. But it is important to include informal salutations like hello and hi. A formal complimenting closing like you are truly, dutifully is not usually necessary. But a name should be mentioned at the end of the communication. Your name as a greeting to you. If preferred, the organization may be written. Email are transmitted quickly, but that does not mean that they must likewise be written quickly. Your message should be clear, comprehensively, in all way and well structured. Using bullets, figures, and so on, you should emphasize the key elements. Given the tone of the email, extra care should be exercised. Use brief, concise language whenever possible. Paragraph should be focused, clear, and concise. Where capital letter are required, use them. Use of the active voice is advised. The message needs to be grammatically sound. It should be punctuated correctly and free of spelling mistake. Now read the following email. Write an email to your friend inviting him to your birthday party. From email ID है to this email ID. Subject birthday invitation. Divya, you are invited to my birthday party on Friday 10th November. I am organizing at my farmhouse on Betola Road. We will have all our friends together on the day and celebrate it in the grandest way. Do not disappoint me by not coming and then making excuse. The party begins at 3 p.m. Let me enhance the happiness of the occasion by your present. आदि सी. यहाँ पर कुछ और ईमेल है, ये आपको पढ़ने हैं और आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है ईमेल राइटिंग की. यहाँ पर कुछ टॉपिक्स हैं, इन पर आपको ईमेल लिखना ट्राई करना है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.